friends and family, we are going to make cheesecake. So we need a biscuit and we need melted butter. And how much is this? This is 150 grams. This is grams. So we need this bag. And just push that. We don't need that right now. You see this? We put the cookies inside, the biscuits. Oh, there we go. And put this here. So we don't. Then we keep the rolling pin. Then put it here. Yeah. And then we're going to make the cookies into powder. So we're going to make this into powder. Let's put this cookie here. So we are done. Let's put this rolling pin away. And we will get this thing right here. Then we're going to dump it. I can smell it. We need this in here. Okay. That looks like more than we got the biscuit. So we are done. There's our powder. So now we're going to take that here. Melted butter. This little round. And then put in the middle. Put that. Now we're going to mix. Now the other one. Another one. I'm going to turn it the other way down. Got a messy. There we go. The last one. Looks like we have extra powder to use some. One more. 3 scoops for each. Okay. Done. We'll just flatten them down. Then we're done with the tray. So this is a tool, so you flatten it. So let me do it. So you need to hold it. Really flat. Now we're done. Look, that's the flat. And again, you need to press it really hard. It's a little bit tricky, but if you try your best, it'll come like this. So we're done, and I'll put this in the fridge for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to tidy up. So let's take this and so I'm going to clean the table. We are going to make a cheesecake fillings. 200 grams of soft cheese, double cream of 120 ml, lemon zest 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, icing sugar 20 grams. I am going to move these things away and I'm going to zest the lemon. This is a sharp grater, and be careful with your fingers. Need to hold it top of the lemon. I'm going to keep the lemon away, also the grater, because it's sharp. You can see my lemon zest. So put that in. We need soft cheese, double cream, and one more ingredient, icing sugar. We need a biscuit. We'll just put them on the side, and then we'll put icing sugar first. To make that empty. Just put that inside and we put this. The double cream can make it wet. Soft cheese is gone. I can just see the double cream and the icing sugar. I'll just put that inside when we're finished. Okay, then we're going to hold it. So sticky. Looks like vanilla when I look at it. It smells soft cheese now. cheese, the stickiest thing that's on here. And I need my lemon juice. My lemon zest. Let's put that inside. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Then there. Then my lemons are sticking. There we go. Put those away. Then I am going to take my cheese base out of the fridge. Looks very nice. And it's all set. I am going to fill the cheesecake filling into put that inside. Okay, there we go. Then the other one. This looks like yummy. One taste. Yummy. Great. Next one. Next one. I am going to put this in the fridge to set. Meanwhile, we are going to tidy up the station.
One hour later.
Now I'm going to take my cheesecake out of the fridge. They look so amazing. Cream's okay. I will choose a green one. I take that and I take a spoon. Then I'm going to eat it. I just need to eat this. Yummy. Yummy. If you like this video, comment down below and I will send the recipe how to make it. And please subscribe and please share to others. Thank you. Bye.